New loaned engines. The new strongest engine. One day, Gordon was waiting at the station to welcome an engine from the other railway. He had been painted London in northeastern blue as a reward for saving Henry from danger. I wonder what this engine will be like, he thought to himself. He soon found out when he heard a whistle. There, puffing into the station, was the most peculiar looking engine. He had 2 leading wheels and 2 tenders on both ends. His boiler was strange, and he had the words LNER on his tender and the number 2395. "G'day," said the engine. "You must be Gordon." "Yes, I am," said Gordon. "Who are you?" "They call me 2395. But me crew calls me... what's the name again? Oh, yeah. Michael. Oh, wait, that's not right. Let's see, Oh, yeah. Franklin. Yeah, that's right. Franklin. "Nice to meet you, Franklin," said Gordon. "I'm Gordon. Are you here for a while?" "Yep. I'm here to help with the goods work," he said. "Well then, welcome to Sodor," said Gordon. "Thank you," said Franklin. The other engines were impressed of how Franklin was working. Franklin worked hard during his time on Sodor. Even Devious Diesel was impressed. Everyone was impressed, except for Donald and Douglas. "I just don't get it, Dougie," Donald said as he and Douglas were shunting in the yards. "Ugh, me neither," said Douglas. "How is he stronger than us?" "I don't know. But we might have to prove that we're stronger than him." At that moment, Franklin puffed in. "Hello," he said. "I'm here to collect my train." "It's over there," said Donald. "Thank you," said Franklin. He buffered up to the train, and he steamed away. The twins were determined to prove they were stronger than Franklin. Whenever they saw Franklin, they blew steam at him. Franklin was confused. But that all changed one day. Donald and Douglas were to double head a train into Vickerstown like usual. But they had an idea. "You know what, Dougie? You lead the train this time." "Really, Donnie?" said Dougie. "Yes," said Donald. "Thank you, Donnie," said Douglas with pride. Douglas excitedly buffered up to Donald, who buffered up in front of the train, and they set off. "Wow, this is nice," said Douglas. "Now I can see the view." Donald loved seeing his twin happy. The twins were making good time and things were going well. "You know, Dougie," said Donald, "being at the back just means you have a different point of view." "You can say that again," said Douglas. Then it happened. With a clang, Douglas ground to a halt. "Oh!" he cried. "What happened?" His driver looked at him. "Your brakes are jammed." "Oh, bother." Donald reluctantly attempted to push, but with Douglas in front of him and with how heavy the train was, there was no point. "Stop, Donnie. With your wheels spinning like that, you'll have your brakes stuck too." Their drivers went to call for help. Franklin was nearby and came to help. Need some help? He said. Yes, please, said the twins, and we're sorry we were rude to you. It's fine. Franklin changed lines and buffered up to Douglas and pulled with all his might. Franklin, being very experienced with trucks, thundered along the line like a rocket. The twins were very impressed. Soon the train arrived at the station. Thank you, Franklin, said the twins in unison. They were most grateful for the help. That's all right, said Franklin. Soon, one day, it was time for Franklin to go home. The engines came to see him off, and Donald and Douglas once again apologized for being rude to him, which Franklin accepted their apology. Then he steamed away. Now Franklin hopes he'll come back to Sodor one day, and so do Donald and Douglas.